Assalamualaikum. Everything we see, every place we go, apa saja yang kita buat is an art. Jom kita narrow down ke tempat yang paling kita selalu duduk, selalu ada, the place where we spend our days and night the most. Kat mana? Our home, yes! I would like to dedicate this video to all amazing women out there because house chores and home memang tak boleh dipisahkan dengan kita, guys. So let's capture without limits with Manggis! This is house chores photography. Alamak, hujan. As usual, my favorite gear to create my content is Sony A7C. The reason Manggis suka guna Sony A7C because it's a full frame camera with a compact size. Okay, untuk lens, I really love the new G lenses. It covers wide portrait pictures beautifully. I really love these lenses. It's amazing. And my tools are mini tripod, and universal pot. Sometimes kalau dua-dua dah tak function, kita panggil apa pun. So, are you ready? Let's go to our first picture. How to create a content yang berbeza dengan orang lain. Girl, look at things from different perspectives and I tell you, you're gonna have a great content. So that's are some of my tips and tricks using the Sony A7C and the G lenses. It's really easy kan, sangat senang and I really love all the functions in this camera. Sangat-sangat memudahkan untuk orang-orang macam Manggis yang not so professional photographer tapi you nak ada content yang nampak macam pro lah. Amazing image quality. Very light, easy to carry anywhere, everywhere. As we all know, social media plays a huge part in our life nowadays, right? In business, in everything. So, if we use this platform properly, it could change our life, like seriously. It changed my life. All you need to do is invest. Maybe orang cakap macam klise kan, tapi betul, bila kita invest, kita memang akan dapat pulangan dia lebih daripada apa yang kita boleh bayangkan. It changed my life, guys. Social media is about what? Pictures and video, right? So, invest on a great camera, tools, and you will see your life will definitely change. So yes, get your tools and let your creativity go wild! Let's capture without limits.